Today our topic is highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Highest common factor is called in short form HCF and greatest common divisor is called GCD. First method, prime factorization method. In this method, first we write the prime factorization of the given numbers and we find out the common factors and we multiply them. The product is equal to the HCF of the given numbers. In this method, first we write the prime factorization of the numbers. In rough, we can find the prime factorization. Suppose we want to find the HCF of 12 and 15. First we write the prime factorization. Prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Now prime factorization of 15, 3 multiply 5, 3 5 is 15. Now we find the common factor in both numbers. 3 is the common factor in both numbers. Hence, the HCF is equal to the 3. Another example. Suppose we want to find the HCF of the question is find the HCF of HCF of 36, 27 and 45. We can find the prime factorization in rough. Suppose we want to find the prime factorization of 36. Simply in this manner we can divide 18 2 is 36, 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Now we write the prime factorization one by one. 36 2 multiply 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Now 27, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now 45, 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now we find out the common factor in these three numbers. If two numbers are given, then we find the common factor of two numbers. If three numbers are given, then we find the common factor in three numbers. Here 3 3 3 is common in three numbers and this 3 is also common in these numbers, and no another number is common in three numbers, 3 and 3. Now we multiply the common factors. HCF equal to, from these 3 we make 1 3, from these 3's we make 1 3. HCF is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the factor of HCF of 36, 27 and 45. Okay, in this manner we can find the HCF of these numbers. First we find prime factorization. Okay,